Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So I found a paint marker and I decided to experiment a little bit yesterday. So that's kind of what this video is about. Basically, we're adding tire lettering to the WRX. Now I've already put some lettering on this side. It's not really that great because I only put one small coat of paint. So I plan to go over this with paint marker for each of the letters a few times, but this is kind of what it looks like now. I personally don't think it looks too bad, but yeah, we're going to be adding paint to the other side and then repainting this side and kind of just adding coats until it looks good. Here it is. It's just a Sharpie paint marker, nothing too special, and hopefully this will just add a little bit more of a race car look to the car, which I know is tire lettering's kind of rice. But I think it looks good. I think it looks good. Not really much else explaining to do. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is kind of the first coat. I'm doing this kind of like how you would with any other sort of paint, doing like a few coats of it just to make it look better rather than just one thicker coat. So this is the first coat. Obviously it doesn't really look that great close up. My camera can't focus on it, so I guess it looks good for you guys. I don't know. So I will have to roll the card backwards to get the Nitto part since it is upside down.
Saying, you know, I like your work, whatever that is, and visualize things coming to me that I worked on it or whatever. Drive home and think, oh, I do have these. They're out there right now. Yeah, they're out. I gave myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years.
So here's this part of the tire done, at least for the first coat of it. Similarly to what I've just previously done, it's pretty much on par because it's only the first coat. Okay, so here is the tire lettering complete. You can see it's definitely a deeper white than it was before, so it definitely does look a bit better. You can see here's the rear. The only thing that isn't complete is this side. There's still only one coat of paint on this side, so you can see it's definitely quite a lot darker, especially if you zoom in. But overall, I'm quite happy with the result of this. So yeah, basically, that's DIY tire lettering. I forgot what it was called. Yeah, that's what it is. So yes, paint marker does work. I don't know how long it'll last, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see, because that's really all we can do. I think I'll end this, short video here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this a little bit interesting. I just found a paint marker and just picked it up. I'm like, hey, you know what? I'll add tire lettering just for the sake of it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Hope you also maybe learned something as well. Although I know that I'm definitely not the first person who's done this. But if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a like. Comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe as well. We've got some more content coming, especially because guess what car made it back home? So we'll be getting to work on the Miata quite soon as well. But that's it for now, and until next time, goodbye.